how to use find and replace in Excel. So there are two ways of getting to the option or menu that you need to use in order to start find and replace. First, you have to go to the Home tab, and then over all the way on the right hand side underneath the editing section, select Find and Select. Then from here, select Replace. Or you can do the method I use, which is by pressing Ctrl F on your keyboard. It will bring up the Find and Replace little menu. Then select on the Replace tab. From here, it will say find what and replace with what. So you can type in the text here that you want to replace. So I have a lot of chung here, and I want to make it all shung here. So we'll go ahead and type in chung, okay, and I want to replace that with shung, so it's all the same. So then I'll go ahead and select on replace all, and it says all done. We made 3 replacements. As you can see here, I had 3 chungs, and now they're all 3 shungs. And that is how you use the find and replace option in Excel.